So special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their memory foam armrest. So here's our little sticker, office chair armrest with cooling gel. And inside of this little Ziploc bag, we have a little document telling you about what is memory foam, explains memory foam, smell, hardness, holes, etc. And a little demonstration of how to actually put it on your armrest. Looks like it just goes right on. And then inside of here is one armrest and two armrests. Nothing else in that. And so you just have your Velcro, take it out, put it around your armrest, and then your arm will be able to sit nicely on this. This does have a very soft, and because of it being gel, it feels very cool and would be comfortable for sitting in a chair for a long period of time. These are truly great. One for each arm. Put it on your chair and enjoy the relaxedness of memory foam armrest. So thanks again to the company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.